What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add social share buttons to our WordPress website images for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet on the site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing to do, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of a screen, next to keyword, you're going to be able to find a field called search plugins. On it, we're going to type social snap, just like this. Click on install now. Social share buttons, social sharing icons, click to tweet, social media plugin by social snap. Click into the activate button. Click to the activate button once again. It's gonna redirect you to the plugin welcome page, okay? We can read the guide or customize the social snap. We're gonna click on customize social snap. Click on social sharing. Now click on media, and we're gonna click to enable on media. And right here we can add more buttons, for example Pinterest or social share, circle or rectangle, large, small, medium, on hover or always visible. We can change the position in the case that we need it, the widget, the height, and where to display. You can display on posts and pages or other custom post types, okay? We can apply button spacing, we can hide on mobile or not, and after doing the change, just click on save. Now let me go to one of my posts so we can change it, so we can test it. Let's apply some image on it. Let's test, and here are the buttons. Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borderless plugin, or Enzo WordPress theme, or Growth.net platform, or Sites.gallery in the case that you want to submit your site and promote it. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites, themes, templates, plugins, and many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.